Hey, hi, long time no seen. Where are you going? Going for a market. Tell me about you. So, how's things going? Nothing so new, same as before. And tell me about your English session. Is it going good or not? Nothing much worked, yaar. What to say? I always hear English session on a regular basis, but nothing is working the way I want. Oh, sad to hear. Okay, tell me, do you always only listen in a session or do you answer questions too? Questions? But for what questions? I don't know. That's what you are missing. Only listening is not your answer, but you should also answer some questions which are asked at the end of every session. But bro, no one asked me questions. So where do I find these questions? It is very simple. You can make these questions by yourself or you can particularly watch that videos which ask you questions at the end of every session. See, watching English lesson is only the first step. Second step is how you are listening and how you are understanding it. For that, you need to answer some questions so that you can also understand how much English you are getting. Thanks a lot, man. You always help me. I didn't know about it. Ah, don't bother it, yaar. Then help me one more thing. Suggest me some videos too. Of course, why not? You can watch my video. Today I have a video of English session. Along with it, in the end, I'll ask some questions. By answering, you can also understand how much you have learned from this session. Certainly, I'll answer all the questions. Let's see, these answers are not as easy as you think. But how will I know my answers are right or wrong? Oh, why you are worrying so hard? I will give you the answer after each question. Don't worry. And story related vocabularies too, so that you can learn new words as well. Then it's wonderful. I will definitely watch your video. Story of the title is The Enchanted Forest. Once upon a time, in a quaint village, lived a curious young girl named Lily. She had always heard tales about the mysterious enchanted forest that lay beyond the hills. No one had ventured into the forest for generations due to the tales of magical creatures and hidden treasures. One sunny morning, Lily decided it was the time to uncover the secrets of the enchanted forest, armed with a map passed down by her grandmother. Sorry for interrupting this video. If you like my efforts, then please subscribe this YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to like this video. Lily set out on her adventure. The forest was dense, with trees so tall they seemed to touch the sky, and a soft mist lingered among the branches. As she journeyed deeper the woods, Lily encountered a mischievous talking squirrel named Squinky. Squinky offered to be her guide in exchange for a handful of acorns. Together, they navigated through the forest, discovering sparkling streams and vibrant flowers. Squinky shared stories of the forest's magical history, and Lily was enthralled. One evening, as the sun began to set, they stumbled upon a clearing where fireflies danced in the air, creating a mesmerizing display of light. In the center of the clearing stood an ancient gnarled tree with a door embedded in its trunk. The door cracked open on its own, revealing a hidden library filled with books that seemed to glow with an inner light. Lily and Squinky couldn't believe their luck. They spent hours reading about spells, legends, and forgotten tales. In one dusty corner, they found a spell to communicate with animals. Excited Lily cast this spell and suddenly found herself able to understand the language of every creature in the forest. Word spread about Lily's magical gift, and soon animals from all over the forest came to her seeking help and advice. She became a mediator, resolving disputes between squirrels and birds, rabbits and foxes. The forest flourished as harmony prevailed. But one day, a powerful storm threatened to destroy the enchanted forest. Lily knew she had to act. With the help of her newfound animal friends, they worked together to create a shield around the forest, protecting it from the storm's wrath. Impressed by Lily's courage and kindness, the ancient guardian of the forest appeared before her. The guardian revealed that the real magic was the love and compassion she had shown to the forest, its inhabitants. As a reward, the guardian granted Lily the ability to visit Enchanted Forest whenever she pleased. Filled with gratitude, Lily returned to her village with amazing tales of her adventure. The villagers, inspired by her bravery, started exploring the forest too, forging new friendships with its magical creatures. And from that day on, Lily and Squinky continued their adventures, spreading joy and wonder throughout the enchanted forest. And so the curious young girl's journey turned into legendary story of friendship, magic and the enchanting power of the nature. Here the story ends now. Now you have to answer some questions related with the above story only. With every question I'll give you few seconds. So pause the video, think about your answer and then answer your questions. At every question's end I'll answer it also. So let's start this session. So the first question arises, who is the main character in this story? And the answer is curious young girl named Lily. The second question of the story is, why did Lily decide to venture into the enchanted forest? And the answer is to uncover the secrets of the enchanted forest that she heard tales about for generations. And here come the third question, but before that, if you didn't like my video, haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe also. आपको ऐसे ही वीडियोस मिलते रहेंगी, बस मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, इस वीडियो को लाइक कर लीजिए। तो चलते हैं थर्ड क्वेश्चन पर। What did Lily use as her guide in the forest? Lily was guided through the forest by a mischievous talking squirrel named Squinky. Next question is, what did Lily and Squinky discover in the clearing? They found an ancient tree with a door in its trunk, leading to a hidden library filled with glowing books. What magical ability did Lily gain from one of the books? Lily gained the ability to communicate with animals after finding a spell in one of the library's books. How did Lily help the enchanted forest during the storm? Lily and her animal friends created a shield around the forest to protect it from a powerful storm. The next question, who appeared before Lily as a reward for her courage and kindness? And the answer is, the ancient guardian of the forest appeared before Lily as a reward for her bravery and compassion. Next question is, what was the real magic according to the forest guardian? The answer is the love and the compassion Lily showed towards the forest and its inhabitants. Next question is, how did the villagers react to Lily's adventures? The villagers were inspired by Lily's bravery and started exploring the forest themselves, forming new friendships with its magical creatures. So this is the last question of this story. I hope you have answered well. Also don't forget to comment how many answers did you get right, and also don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel, which is Learn Vocabulary Everyday. And the question is, what were some of the themes in this story? Some of the theme in this story includes courage, friendship, magic, and the importance of nature and compassion. Now it's time for vocabularies. Meaning of quandars, attractively unusual or old-fashioned in a charming way. Meaning of enchanted is under a spell, magical or charming. Meaning of mischievous, playfully causing annoyance, harm, or even trouble. Gnarled means nobly rough or twisted, especially with age. Meaning of mediator is a person who helps settle disagreements between others. Meaning of harmony is a state of peaceful coexistence or agreement. Meaning of guardian is someone or something that protects and takes care of something. Compassion meaning feeling sorry for someone who is going through a tough time and wanting to help. Legendary means something so amazing or famous that it becomes a story passed down through generations. And the last vocabulary of the story is wonders. Meaning of wonder is extraordinary or amazing. Things that make you say, oh wow. So here the videos end. I hope you like this session. If you like, then please comment me down. Also don't forget to like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. One more thing, you have to press the bell icon so that if I post new videos you can immediately get it. So thanks for watching.